But this time I'm going to sacrifice that all for you guys. So hi UC gang, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Untitled Chapter, and I run a channel on natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that is the sort of thing you are into, then this is the channel to subscribe to. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is back in its full glory, but not really, because I just took it out of a 2-month protective style, and you know, after taking it out, my hair is just dirty. So yes, that is what I'm feeling right now, is just dirty hair. But I'm going to walk you all through my wash day process and what I do exactly after a protective style. And get this, y'all, all of my other wash day videos have basically been me not in the shower, because I'm too afraid to shower with my phone in the bathroom with me, because of all the technological complications, whatever you want to call it. But this time I'm going to sacrifice that all for you guys. So if you're not subscribed now, go ahead and do that, because I'm putting in a lot of effort. But yes, I'm going to try and attempt to take y'all into the shower with me as I do my wash day, with the shampooing and rinsing out the conditioner. So yeah, stay tuned. First, step one is I'm going to clarify my hair. My hair has not been washed in literally 2 months, guys. I am a weekly washer. This dirt in my hair is a no-no. So my hair needs a very, 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 very deep clean. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Avalon Organics clarifying shampoo, and this is an old bottle, I believe, but I still have a lot of shampoo left. But I'm going to take that and I'm going to go ahead and go clarify my hair. Okay, also, this is not just me talking here, but when you do take down a long-term protective style, you do want to make sure you have something that's going to deep clean your hair, because your hair is going to be just so dirty. But just wanted to let you know that I'm going to go and clarify now. So I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair before I hop into the shower. I find it easier for me to work in sections when it comes to washing my hair and doing most things. But before I hop into that shower, be sure to like this video, because like I said, I am risking it all for you guys. So be sure to like the video, okay? You know, don't damage my phone and then not like this video. But yes, be sure to like this video and comment below what your wash day routine process is for when you take down something. I'm curious to know. My hair has gotten thicker, I feel. This is a lot of dirt. I don't know if you can see that grayness in those ends there, but my hair is just dirty. It's dirty. Okay, so this is just to show y'all that I did try, so don't say I didn't. But in short, this was not a great experience. What with the fact that I couldn't prevent water from getting all over the floor, and my electronics were just a little too close to the shower for comfort. So it's a no for me, dog. This whole shower thing is a no for me. So I only did manage to do some of the shampoo part in the shower. Unfortunately, I decided not to do the conditioner, but I just wanted to give y'all the chance to see my hair wet, or well, try to see it wet. So here I'm just showing you my process. Like I said, I do wash in sections. You can see me taking down a section and applying shampoo to it, then rinsing it out, and doing the same for all the other sections. And this is also, by the way, how I apply, well, not apply, but this is also, by the way, how I rinse out my conditioners and any other treatments that I do to my hair. By the way, I also tend to focus shampoo on my scalp and only put some on my strands. It is important, you guys, to shampoo your scalp. Your strands are not the only thing that gets dirty. Your scalp can get dirty too, and you literally don't want the source of your follicles getting clogged with the dirt. Plus, I've even heard that you are supposed to be focusing shampoo on your scalp anyway and not so much your hair. So that's pretty much why I do focus on my scalp. And I find that shampoo, when I rinse it out, it reaches my hair and cleanses it anyway. So just doing this, you know, gets my scalp clean and my hair clean, and it allows me to clean both without using more shampoo than I need. Yeah, so all that shower mess ain't happening. I thought I was going to be in the shower all cute and whatever, you know, washing my hair, seeing my curls, everything like that. You know how people usually do it, but let me tell y'all, you have to give big props to these YouTubers who do this the shower thing where they show y'all everything in the shower, because that is not easy, and I doubt I'm going to be doing that for a good minute again. So big props to people who do the shower thing. It's not for me, not at this moment. We're going to continue doing what we do, which is our sink and the dry places. Now, let's skip on to deep conditioning. And so the deep conditioner I'm going to use today, I am not going to show you all because it is by a brand that is very under fire right now. When you've taken down your long-term style, you want to make sure that you deep condition, and most especially you want to make sure that your deep conditioner has protein in it, because you want to restore that moisture and strength that your hair has lost all throughout those weeks and months you've been in your style. And me, I have not had a protein deep condition since a few weeks before I put my braids in. So I'm going to go ahead and use something with protein today. Usually I have my own protein conditioner that I would follow up with a moisture deep conditioner, but since I have this product, that's supposed to be more of a moisture balance product, we're going to go ahead and use that. I finally got that Tangle teaser with the handle. Hey. So we're going to be trying that out today too. So yeah, let's continue. So I'm going to go ahead and probably, the directions say 15 minutes, I believe. So I'm gonna wait for this to settle in, and I'm going to wash it out and then show you my hair after. And I'm not going to use another moisture deep conditioner after this, because this one's supposed to be more of a moisture protein balance. So I figure that I don't really need to follow up with another DC. I can just wash my hair and then style it after. Okay, so I've washed out my deep conditioner, and I must say it is actually quite nice. But this is not a review on that. I'm just showing you my hair after I've washed and deep conditioned it. Ooh, okay. Ooh, y'all, I feel like, okay, so I feel like, first of all, I need a trim because I'm paranoid that I might have been snagging on a little too many knots during that detangle session, but my hair is actually looking very nice. Ooh. It's it in its full wet glory. But yeah, so I'm just, from here on out, I'm just going to go and put my hair into very large twists to just let them dry in that, and that's just going to be it. And then I'm going to, I don't know if I want to do it tonight. I probably still will, but I'm going to style my hair in a twist out, and I'm thinking I'm gonna also do a video for that. So stay tuned for that video. I'm pretty sure I will do it, just don't know if I'll do it tonight or if I'll just wait till tomorrow to go ahead and do. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and you know, be prepared for more adventures with Miss Hair. Bye.